Warm ko dyan, laro ko yan. Sarap to. Tuck in jersey.
Tuck in jerseys, players.
Ha?
Let's get it on. Nakuha. Turnover.
Maraming time yan, pati ba ito?
Number 10, Caples. Jantan. Sagonoy. Caples, lays up. 2 points. Thomas, 15 on the shot clock.
Koy, amin na yung goods mo ah. Meron ka?
Musta?
Amin na ko ah.
Scores. All 2. The robot fires. No. Offensive board by Caples. Sa gitna, Sagonoy. Put back 2 from number 13, Meriado. Naalo ka number 4, Sagonoy. With number 10, Caples. 15 on the shot clock. Good pass, 2 points for Robot. There the assist to number 10. There's Reyes misses. White ball, that's the top green. Caples. Rebound, there's Reyes. Quickly to Gerardia. Sidestep beauty of it. But there is a foul on number 7, Volante. That is his first personal foul, first team foul. Sagonoy to easy shoot. Meriado. Put back 2 for Goroban, 2 points. 8-2 our official tally. Here's the Reyes. This is on the left. Jantan. Number 77, fakes. Kick out, Sagonoy. Sagonoy sidestep. Sagonoy uses a handle. Green ball. There's Reyes. Short stab is good. Carrying the assist to Philip Snares, 2 points. For number 27, making our official tally 84. After 7 minutes. Sagonoy in the middle. In and out. Rebound to the surface. Volante. Volante. Zerabia. Zerabia pulls out. Rebound number 77. Jantan. Goroban. Stop. Goroban. 11-4, 6.5 in the first. Reyes. In and out. Meriado. Goroban. Out to Meriado. Good feed to shoot. Fumbles the ball. Caples with a reverse layup, 2 points. Steal for Caples. Caples. Belalen. Pick out the gun. No. Rebound na Talarino.
Ito walang stretching eh.
Volante, 3-on-2. Volante, 2 points. As is to Zerabla. Doroban, Sox, Fox, Doroban, Green! 16-6, official score. Tamarino, drive, bring up, basket is good, that's a foul.
Number 4.
On number 4.
Oh.
That is his first personal foul, first team foul. Bonus free throw over to number 3, Altamarino.
Meron last game sila. Kalaban yung Panthers.
Altamarino completes the 3-point play. Official score is 16-9.
Ang wala yung kulay pula. Oh. Hindi, yung kulay pula yung sila, Aegis Speed.
14 on the shot clock. Doroban. Rebound Ganjan. Goes up. Ganjan 2 points.
Change 5.
Warning number 19 for delaying the game. Change players.
Sino ako sa Jan Jan? Sinong 19 sa green?
Gurobat.
Ah, yung Gurobat. Ah.
Volante to start. Back to Altamarino. Altamarino inside the two. But there is a loose ball foul on number 26, De Los Reyes. De Los Reyes only his first personal foul, second team foul.
First lang.
Only the first.
First lang.
Blanco fires. No. Rebound. Altamarino crosses the timeline. Volante. No. Rebound Lucas. Ivan. Celade. Jackie Blanco. No. Gusto with the steal. Counter steal Zerabla. But there is a foul caught on number 29, Houston. Houston, that is his first personal foul.
Second.
Second team foul. 2 free throws awarded to number 23, Zerabla.
Alvarez. Binariktad din pangalan.
Good on his first. No look in the second. Offensive board to the Reyes. Back shot is good for the Reyes. Janjan. Janjan, side step. Yes, sir. 2 points. 20-12. Still in the lead is
Bakit?
35.
Lumaban lalo.
Number 55. De Los Reyes. De Los Reyes fakes. Dives. Lays up for 2. 20-14. Here's number 19. Ivan. Coming in. Yes. 2 points. 22-14. Zerabla. Volante. De Los Reyes takes rally violation. Pump dancing with the wrong song is De Los Reyes. Turnover. John steps on the gas. But there's a traveling violation. 1 step too many for number 77, John. Turnover.
Ginaya.
Altamarino. 15 issue. De Los Reyes goes up. Lead on Blanco. Blanco, being held. Quickly to Busto. 15 on the shot clock. Agaw na Altamarino. Repass. Zerabla. 3-on-1 break. Zerabla. Good defense by Ivan. Steal. 4-on-2. 4-on-3. All the way. 3 points. For number 19. 24-14. Number 55. Easy 2. 30 bases to Volante. 24-16. After 2 minutes. Volante, Altamarino, pulls up, yes sir. 24-18. On the shot clock. Blanco. 2 points for Jacqueline Blanco. 26-18. Volante. Over to number 55. Number 55. 3! 26-21. Pinang pinahabol ng waterballer. Si Blanco. Blanco pulls up. But here's a foul.
Alvarez.
23. That is his first personal foul. First team foul.
Saan yung isang bola natin? Dalawa na yan, dalawa.
2 free throws, 1 to number 0, Blanco. Number of the second, splitting the charity is Blanco. 27-21. 40 seconds away, Volante. Neo Volante, no good. Isang laki. Ganjan, left the layup is good. 29-21. Mercedes. Number 5, another Dre. Rebound Blanco. Blanco. Siya na nagbaba. Blanco. Justo. 15 on the shot clock. Galeon. Galeon the big guy. That's 8 seconds. Three seconds to shoot. 3 seconds on the shot clock. With 2 seconds differential with the game clock. 77.
Grabe yun! Grabe!
In favor of Team Roosters.
Ay, utang mo na mali. Ito na ilagay. Game na to eh.
Back to Logan, start of the second quarter. Possession ball goes to White. Turnover. Volante over to Villasquez. If there's a foul on number 13, Indiana, only the first personal foul, first team foul. 2 free throws awarded to number 26, Villasquez. Good on the first is Villasquez. Two out of two.
Wait, natakbo yun yung ano.
32-23. Siya ang kalamangan ng Roosters. 9-41.
Sili.
Ivan Banchel is good. 34-23.
Dahil aabutin nga ng alas 10 dito.
Number 55 goes out. No. Rebound number 19. Over to Dackles. Dackles. No. Rebound number 55. Skip Stevens. Villasquez, 2-on-2 break. Villasquez stops. No. Rebound sa Gonoy. Gonoy gets the ball. Gonoy. Dackles goes up. Dackles scores. 36-23 under 9 minutes. Altamarino. Volante. Zarabla. Dackles. Inball.
Anong pangalan nun? Dackles.
Dackles. Goroba. Cristiano. 15 to shoot. Sabonon. Wala. De Los Reyes. De Los Reyes stops. Good defense. Ang Carolina cover. Volante. Shoots. In and out. Roman. Naagong De Los Reyes. De Los Reyes. Drives. Goes up for two. 36 to 25.
Ano pa yan eh, pares na lang ang standing ng ano, WCBL. Pag nanalo sila dito, may chance sila pumasok.
WCBL, pag natalong ka.
Malalagdag sila.
De Los Reyes. Drive. Basket is good. Plus a foul on number
10.
Douglas.
Douglas, first.
That is his first personal foul, second team foul. Bonus free throw, awarded to number 26, De Los Reyes.
Ay, basket pala.
Completes the three-point cutting is De Los Reyes, making our official tally 36 to 28. 7 minutes and 34 remaining in the second. Douglas, sa ilalim. Nabasa-basa ni De Los Reyes. 4 on 2 break. De Los Reyes stops. Rebound Douglas. To Ivan. 3 on 2. Ivan drives. Sa ilalim, Cristiano. Cristiano. Basket is good. What's a foul?
Altamirano, first.
On number 3, Altamirano.
Altamirano.
That is his first personal foul, first team foul.
Takboy mo, patakboy mo.
Bonus free throw, awarded to number 19,
Kumana na.
Ivan. Rebound to the Reyes. One step too many is De Los Reyes, turnover. Agaw. Volante. Easy two. Timeout. Hoopsters. Official score is 38 to 30 in favor of Hoopsters with 6 minutes and 42 remaining in the second.
Sa second quarter pa lang. Game. Ha? Tayo na 5 minutes.
Back to the ball game.
Hindi, tatakboy nyo na. Yari tayo sa ano? Yari tayo sa ano? Mana na? Ha?
Cristiano. Number 19. Number 19. Cristiano. Good pass, 2 points. Number 19, Goroban. Douglas. Basket is good. Very gives this to number 19, Goroban. Altamirano gives it to Volante. Volante! 3! 42 to 33, 5 minutes and 45. Nagawang tuluyan. Counter steal, hindi ngayon. Kabilin, out its way. 44 to 33.
Ha?
Bigat.
Laking tao eh. Pumayat na ngayon eh.
Basket is good for
Ha?
the Reyes.
Magkapayan yun dito, guys.
Douglas, 15 to shoot. Drives like Goroban. Drops one. Nakagaw ni De Los Reyes. De Los Reyes, De Los Reyes goes to coast. 2 points. Change players.
Bilis, bilis, bilis! Running time yan!
John. Kick out. Ivan. One play, 2 points for Volante. Here's Blanco. Blanco. Gangan. 15 to shoot. Green ball. Naagaw ni Ivan. Nawala ang bola. Nakakuha ng Altamarino. 2-2, 2-3, Altamarino scores! It was a foul on number 25 to Leon.
First.
As his first personal foul, second team foul.
Ano yun?
Time out, may time out.
Wala nang time out yun.
Good.
Walang time out. Bonus free throw, awarded to
Nag-time out.
number 3, Altamarino.
Hindi niya naman na ginamit eh. First quarter. Ha? Nag-time? Basta lang kanina? Diba?
Hindi, isa pa lang.
Please
Ah, isa
continue
lang
on
ba?
play.
Sige, bigay mo.
Gangan. Wala. Rebound Blanco. Nakakuha ni Altamarino. 2-3. Altamarino. Rebound Ivan. 3-2. Busto. Pulls up. Malakas. Rebound Thomas. Rebound Volante. Wrap around. Number 25. Rebound Busto. Rebound Gangan. Gangan gets away. Rebound Blanco. 2 points for Blanco. 46 to 42. Abang kami ng kalamangan ng Houston. Thomas. All alone. Lakas.
Bigay mo, time mo. Bigay mo.
Timeout. Houston. Official score is 46 to 42. In favor of Hoopsters with 2 minutes and 33 remaining in the second.
Nga pala, di pala saan tayo mag-first quarter. Sige na, game na.
Back to the ball game.
Wala na kayong time out tell ah.
Blanco receives last. Traveling violation. Turnover. Gangan 2-2. Gangan goes up. Go. Altamarino will board. Turnover. Warning on number 29 Houston for technical. Cross court for Busto. 15 on the shot clock. Busto lays up. Busto scores. 48-42. Altamarino. Altamarino lays up. Go. Ivan Ivan. Gangan. 3-on-2. Ivan takes. Ivan shoots. Ivan scores. Plus a foul on number 27, Thomas.
First.
That is his first personal foul, second team foul. Bonus free throw awarded to number 19, Rabigin.
Ivan Kabigin.
Brown completes a 3-point play. There's Reyes. Knocked it down. Rebound Bustos. Bustos over the net. 2-on-1. Turnover. Number 55. Ganggan pulls up. Wala. Altamarino. Altamarino. 3. 50-45. Last 20 seconds. Ivan. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. Bustos. Agaw, Ligas, Volante, touchdown Volante. End of the second quarter. Official score is 50-47 in favor of Boosters.
Game na.
Awal pa tayo oras oh.
Game na.
Bol, bakbak mo yung bol. Mga boss mo ba yan?
Back to the ball game. Start of our third quarter. Green ball.
Ha? Hindi naman nakatutok. Mamaya na lang.
Será to start.
Malaki.
Altamarino. Thomas.
Ayos pa na yung 40.
Last 12 seconds on the shot clock. 12 seconds to shoot. Number 55 Moses Way. Rebound for 4. Lulas. 2 points for Ivan. Turnover. White ball. Number 19, Max Scherzer. 34-47. Pino ang kalamaan ng Boosters. Continue to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds. 4 seconds on the shot clock. 4 seconds to shoot. Rebound. Altamarino. Drives. Go with it. 15 seconds on the shot. But there's a foul.
Martin.
On number 55.
Second.
That is his second personal foul, first team foul.
Si Martin yan, Martin.
Maya.
2 free throws awarded to number 19, Guerrero.
Pasok na. Pasok to ya.
Good on the second 2 out of 2 for Guerrero, making the tally 56-47. 47. After 7 minutes. Volante. Ivan. Tua. All the way. Ivan Goroban. 2 points. 58-47. Still in favor of Superstars. 15 on the shot clock. Sarabia offensive goal. Substitution.
Pasok na. Magsasab ka, tapos di mo alam kung sino. Sab na.
Magsasab ko, di mo alam sasab ko.
18 shoot. 18 seconds to shoot.
First.
Only the first person will foul first team foul. Arpamarino. On the top of the key. 15 to shoot. Volante fires. Ivan Ivan. Ivan all the way. Touchdown. 2 points.
Hindi na napipigilan niya kung nakapili.
47.
Si Ivan. Ang hirap sabayan pag ganun eh.
Arpamarino. Sarabia. Thomas. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Thomas back shot is good.
Grabe, condition si Bossy. Condition si Doc.
15 to shoot.
Ika. Open.
Rivalry violation. One step too many for number 19, turnover. Ligas, Volante. Kick out, Thomas, fires. But there is a foul on number 23,
Second.
Sarabia. That is his second personal foul.
Sub.
Recall. Substitution. Demonstrated. Sarabia fires. Rebound number 55, put back to 16 to 51. It's a single minute lead. Under 4 minutes remaining in the third. Backless. Goroban, what a connection by Backless to Goroban.
Grabe yun.
62 to 51. Still in favor of Superstars. Dennis Reyes. Hicks. No, rebound with Diallo.
Maliwekit pala yung kaya lagi nasa kaliwa.
Remaining in the third.
Kaya pala lagi siyang nasa kaliwa dumadaan.
15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Ivan Reyes.
Paul de los Reyes.
But there is a foul on number 25.
25?
26.
26? De los Reyes? The first.
That is his first personal foul. Number 19. Basket is good for Ivan. Sarabia. Backless.
Paul.
But there is a foul on number 55.
Third.
That is his third personal foul. 13 foul.
Nakabot ni Ivan ah. Ban, kondisyon kaya ba na? Ban, kondisyon ka. Kondisyon ka yata.
first. 2 out of 2 for Atlas, making our official tally 66-51. Number 55 hustles his way 2 points. Here's Atlas, 66-53. Iowa. Single, last touch on Green, with 17 seconds on the shot clock. Substitution.
Sa pinalit, kung kayang kondisyon, pinalitan.
Papay ngayon daw. Ban, fourth quarter daw, ban. Buong fourth quarter daw.
Leon, 6. Leon. 12 to shoot. Rebound. Leon. Agaw. After steal. After steal ang Tamarino. Ang Tamarino, 3 on 2. Turnover.
Grabe, ang bilis nun.
Last touch on White. Substitution. Mediato out, Blanco in. Ten seconds on the shot clock. Rebound, number 55.
McLean, 25.
But there is a foul on number 25.
Second.
That is his second personal foul, second team foul. 14 to shoot. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Short on the shot list of players. Lead pass. That's 40 seconds. Volante. Pulls up. Lakas. Rebound Atlas. De Leon.
8 seconds.
Agaw. Steal Atlas.
Ay.
Roll! 2 points. Second on the window. 2 points. That's 10 seconds. 17-53. 5 seconds. End of the third quarter. Official score is 17-53 in favor of Coopsters.
Ang alay pala to. Para mapindot lang yung 40 na. Ganda lang position.
Next time, dala kayo tubig ha. Oh, next time naman, next time. Game na. Sige. Ay, dyan.
Back to Golden. Start of our fourth quarter.
Tatli na katingin.
Ang lakas ng gurubat talaga eh. Ang klase yung gurubat.
Agaw, Pagarino, deep pass. Volante touchdown, 2 points. 17-55. Leon, Gagdan, Ikaw, Rebound number 55. Number 26, Reyes, wala. Rebound Wilson. 70-57. Labing tatlong nahabol ang 4 quarter. Gusto. Save basketball. 10 seconds on the shot clock. 10 seconds to shoot for Hoopster. Go. Rebound.
Si Jan sayang.
Uy, Jan! Sabi ko sa'yo mag-stretching eh.
Sayang Jan.
Sa ilalim, gandang masa, tulong, score sa kabla. Credit the assist to Altamarino. 70-59, nabili sa mala. Ganda. Gusto run. Ganda, 45. Linggo, Volante. Okay. Contingent for De Leon. Last touch on green. Last 15 seconds to shoot. Substitution.
Stop. Time out.
Timeout, Team Hoopsters. Official score is 70-59. In favor of Hoopsters with 7 minutes and 43 remaining in the fourth.
Hindi sila na-time out ang third quarter, di ba?
Bawal si Timothy dito eh.
Dalawa pa time out nila. Game.
Back to the ball game.
Patorni pala yun, oh. Yung number Pilipinas. Nakita ko sa Facebook. Inad ako.
Altamarino, 3-on-1 Altamarino, Volante, malakas. Offensive ball. Malakas. Rebound to 19. Tito. Atlas. 15 on the shot clock. All alone, Blanco. 72-59. 7-6. 15 seconds. Gerala 3! 72-62, 10 na lang, kalamba. Nakagawa ang tulungan. Altamarino, 3-on-3. Break. But there's a foul downstairs.
Ivan, first
On number 19, Pabigin, that is his first personal foul.
team pa.
First team foul. 14 on the shot clock. Altamarino. 10 seconds. Seralda. Rebound Milangkan. Bola. Number 55. But there is a foul. Unsportsmanlike foul on number
Duckless. Duckless.
Uy, bawal. Uy, nungko, di nagdadala ng tubig.
Si Duckless. Nakabigay pumasok na lang naman. Mawak lang naman.
Okay, sir. Nakasok po tayo ay number 10.
Number 10, Duckless.
Tapos yung pumasok, nag-iigali tayo.
Okay.
Pag pumasok ng kapitid.
Sige.
Palikat ng free throw tayo, Tapos ball possession.
One technical.
Sportsmanlike foul on
Bali sir, ang sa po natin, criteria. Sa rule book natin, number 29, criteria C2, hindi na yung bola. Criteria po.
criteria number 29. Unscore foul on number
10.
10.
Douglas.
Tapos technical foul on
Bench.
bench ng Boosters for entering the court.
25 sir, 25, pumasok. Kasi nga nakita tinakay. Kaya nga sir,
Technical free throw awarded to Watervolco. Wala ba? Technical free throws plus ball possession. Cannot convert on the penalty free throw. Wala pa rin. Same ball possession with 20 seconds on the shot clock. 20 to shoot.
Oo.
Sub.
Substitution.
3 minutes po yun. Hands po eh. 3 minutes sub. Yung ano ba, number 51. 3 minutes.
Hindi. Yung si Douglas.
puti yung
Okay na. Good na, good.
Number 55, Altamarino, De Los Reyes, 14 to shoot. De Los Reyes, Gutierrez, Jantan, Usto, Roman escapes, gets it over, Ado Altamarino, Lucas Volante, 3 on 2, Volante, rebound number 55. Wala pa rin. Gusto. Ganda. 2. 30 on the shot clock. 10 to shoot. 19. Malakas. Rebound Blanco.
Sa bola.
There is a foul.
De Los Reyes.
Foul on number 26, De Los Reyes.
Apat na yan.
De Los Reyes, that is his fourth personal foul, second team foul. Two free throws, one to number 19 to begin.
Pasok yun ah.
Pasok.
Two out of two.
Sub.
Substitution. Official score is 74 to 62.
Pwede ba yan? Oh, wala namang rules sa amin.
Under 5 minutes remaining in the fourth.
Kaning time yan.
Volante, number 55. Basket is good. For number 55. 74-64. Here's the beat. 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Blanco. Gusto.
Second.
Now coming in, that is the second personal foul, second team foul. 2 free throws for number 71, Balang. Goal on the first is Balang. Malakas. 102 split brutality.
Pasok pa.
But there's a foul on number 7, Volante.
Free throw, free throw.
Technical free throw. Technical.
Uniform.
Sa uniform sa green.
Yung sa Hoopsters.
Doctors.
Wala pa lang uniform yun. Oo. Oo.
Isa. Dalawa.
Technical free throws awarded to quantum ballers. No jersey for the Roosters.
Di nakita eh. Di na malayan, gulay puti eh. Isa pa, isa pa. Isa pa.
Dalawa.
Isa pa lang. Isa pa, isa pa, isa pa.
Isa pa. Wait, dalawa ba?
Katumbas ng isang uniform, dalawa.
Dalawa.
Dalawa! Dalawa!
Wala.
Oh, wala pa rin, meron ako dun.
Cannot convert on the technical free throws is Antonino. The score still is the same at 74 to 65. Points for the team. 76 to 65. Galing sa akin ang naman ng quantum ballers. Here's Balang. Balang makes it through. But there is a foul on number 0, Blanco.
Isa lang.
Blanco, that is his first personal foul. Second team foul. 2 free throws awarded to number 71, Balang.
Dalawin mo na lang.
Cannot convert on the first.
Isang daw ah.
Last throw, Balang is good. It's good on the charity. Substitution, right? 76 to 65. Our official tally with 2 minutes and 15.
Sa 2 minutes ka na mag-start.
Gusto. 50 on the shot clock. 10 on the shot clock.
26.
But there is a foul on number 26.
All out na yun.
Number 26, 5 personal fouls. That is the third team foul for Quattro Ballers.
65 lang yan.
6 seconds. Shot clock violation.
65 lang, 65 lang, 65.
Volante. Altamarino. Naagaw. Recover. Volante konti. Wala. White ball. Last touch on green. Substitution. Blanco. Samuel Blanco, 2 points. 78-65. Volante over to number 95. In and out. Rebound. basket.
Pasok na yun. 5:58 yun nag-answer.
Foul on number 55.
58 siya papasok.
2:54 siya pumasok. 3 minutes na yun.
Bonus free throw awarded
Alam mo,
to
dinudulog
number
para
19, Gurova. Completes the three-point play. 81-65. Last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes. Agawa pa. Nables. Gagad. Gurova, 2 points. 83-65. Wala. Okay. Black on the ball.
takan. Takan.
Hindi sumandal.
Hindi.
Hindi wasad.
Hindi na dapa. Alis.
Volante, 2 points. 83-67. On the shot clock.
5 seconds, man. 5 seconds.
10 to shoot.
Yeah, okay.
Foul. Alvarez.
There is a foul on Zerala, number 23. That is his third personal foul.
14.
Warning for penalty. 4 team foul. 2 shots for number 19, Gurova.
Yun, nawala yung pwesto.
I-14 mo. Ay ano mo. Galaw-galaw mo yung wire. Yung sub dito sa wire. I-24 mo na lang. Galaw-galaw mo.
Gurova second is Gurova. 83-67. 34. Last 50 seconds. Camarino is foul. And number 10, Dakles. Dakles.
Second.
That is his second personal foul.
Third na pala.
Third team foul. That is a 13 personal foul, third team foul.
Wala yung pwesto ko, Mercy.
Logo of the first is Altamarino. Second is good, splitting with charity, making the tally 84-68. Dakles is up for 2. 86-68. Altamarino. Misses. Chan-Chan. Block number 2.
Sino ba? Ano naman guy?
20 yan oh.
End of the ball game. Our official score is 90
Init lang, init lang.
68. Winner is Team Hoopsters.
20 yun ah. Ayun,
Ha?
plus 20 yung upstairs ah.
No, nakahabol sila sa quotient. Nice ban.
Makapasok ba kayo, Ban?
Good.
Player ka, Ban?
Si Ivan, si Ivan. Si Ivan, maraming rebound si Ivan.
Ivan Pabigil, our best player of the ball game.
Dalawin ko na lang, pati si Gurobat.
Dalawang player pala, best players of the game. Gorobat and
Ivan.
Ivan Pabigil.
Ay, may kahati pa, Ban.
Maraming points eh.
Nabahan yung referee. Kala yan, susunod. Tutulungan niya yun eh. Picture!
Dalawa high pa. 33, tsaka si Ivan, tsaka si ano, si Robot. Hoy, ay, wala pa.
Oo, nakakamiss.
Si Robot, tsaka si
Suko.
Babalik ko naman kay Pero.
Romero.
Si Martin, ma'am.
Tapos nalaro na aking bunso.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Naka 15 points.
10 points.
Opo, 15.
Points. Rebound niya.
Rebound ko ni Martin. 10.
10. Sayang.
Siya sana, ma'am.
Boss, kasi ilas ko.
Oh, magbayad ka na. Wala kayong laro next game. Pag di ka